Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a lot of nice food as you can see in front of us. Oh well, hang on, I'll move the galo and so I can show you guys what I have. So on my tray of food I have kina, New Zealand kina guys, and it's from Gatham, hang on, I don't want, Gatham. It's from Gatham Island in New Zealand. And then I've got look at this guys, it's a half of crayfish, lobster some people would call it, but I think it's a crayfish. But look how massive it is. Yes, and then I have oysters here, big oysters, and I made me a butter sauce, right guys, for my lobster or crayfish. And then Chullora has her own compliments of Desoray and Sharon Eats. So they provided this for us guys, and so did Loving God. Loving God first, then Desoray and Sharon Eats. Yes, so we're very, very fortunate with what they gave us. Do this for, you know, my channel. So thank you so much, Desoray and Sharon, for the love that you guys have given us, and even Chullora, she's benefiting from this.
So, on this plate, I got sashimi, and then in front of that, I have oysters.
Yep, because that's what she likes to eat. So her sister-in-law, Desoray, got it for her. Look how fresh it is. And she said, that has just jumped out of the sea and onto the plate.
Yeah, this jumped straight out of the water.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And so I'll quickly do us a prayer and then we'll get into this. And my drink today is Mountain Dew. So cheers, guys. Boom.
Boom.
I got some galo just in case I need it. I don't know why, but well, probably for the oysters. Anyway, it's time to eat and enjoy our food. So first of all, I'm going to start off with kina. That's what I'm craving for. Okay, so for those who don't know what this is, it's sea urchin, and it's from New Zealand, guys. So the best place I think you can get kina is New Zealand. Here, look guys, oh. Oh, yummy, delicious. Well,
Nothing.
I was wondering what she's looking at.
Okay, I should have opened this before the video, but...
Here guys, yeah. Sharing is caring. Look how big they are. Oh, yum. So where the seafood was bought from, it was bought from the seafood market. Look at look how big that one was. Look guys, woohoo! So delicious. Baby, you want to try one?
Yeah, but not now.
Not now?
Yeah, not now.
Whatever, can at any time. Oh, that's nice, sweet. Yeah, so where Desoray and Sharon went and got this, they got it from the fish market, but the kina, they went to Parkley Market to get it, because they went to the seafood market thinking that they might have some kina in the shell, but unfortunately they didn't have any. So they said, where's the next place? And I said to them, Parkley Market, Kathy's place there, where she sells her food, and it's always guaranteed that they have kina. Every time I look for kina and I'm hungry for it, we stop by there and they always have it. Or is it just good timing for me? Ooh. Anyway, I'll continue on enjoying this. Mmm. But you know what's good? The kind of sweet too. Yeah. Nice. Sorry. I have some viewers saying, "Oh, when is the next kind of video?" Guys, I hope this helps.
No, this is fresh. Like, this is fresh.
Yeah, that's the best way to have it. I want to open up this other one, but I'll get stuck into this oyster. Oh, just squeeze me a little lemon here.
You know, Kenna, is it cheaper in NZ than here?
Yeah, it should be, because that's where you get it from. But sometimes it's, you know, it's sort of similar in price. Oh, yummy. Oh, that was just sweet too.
Did you put that in the microwave?
No way.
No, the lemon.
No, I didn't. I just cut it here, guys. Oh, dribble. Really nice. Oh, I've got lemon butter here. And I'm going to pour it over the crayfish, so when it's time for me to eat it, and it's got garlic, butter, a bit of chicken salt. Oh, look at that drizzle. You know what? I might as well get stuck into it. Oh.
This lemon's good.
Yeah. See, because it's fresh. Look at that, guys. Here, take a bite. Oh, man.
What?
Oh, nice. Have some. Oh, you know what? I need more butter in here. And onion. Come on. Get over here, guys.
Have I ever had lobster?
Huh?
Oh yeah, I have at Kicking and Day.
Huh?
Never mind.
I know. Sorry, sweetheart. I'm just too focused on... Yeah. Look at that. Oh, baby, you're going to miss out. Have one. Have one.
Babe, what am I...
Just get this one. I'll cut you this one. Wait, I'll cut you this one. Yeah. Yeah. Is it a big one? Yeah. Dip it in the butter. Dip it in the butter. It's like a giant prawn.
A giant prawn. Oh, why we... Oh.
Yeah, it's like a giant prawn. And look, it's got onion and spring onion I chopped up and fried it together with the butter and a bit of chicken salt.
I thought lemon tart
You know what? I squeeze a bit of lemon in it. Oh, nice. Nice. Did you like that, baby? Nice, eh? I've got the other half inside the kitchen. If it's really, really, really needed, I'm going to go and get it. But already it tastes. Shh, don't make a noise. Stand my hair and say, I want some. But my husband, he's making himself an octopus today. He's already, well, he got kicked out of the kitchen once Sharon and Desoray arrived with the food. So he's in his room doing some book work. This is so good, sweetheart.
Oh my gosh. Shells can ruin a good oyster. Like, these oysters are good, but there's a bit of shell in it.
This is, nice, man. What was you saying, sweetheart? What was you saying? It was in my own little world. Anyway. Oh, this is so nice, man. Well, what's not true?
This is the one from the sushi. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Look. Baby, I've got to share this with you. Ah.
Sure. Wait, when? Okay, wait, hold on.
Just now. Can't eat it all by myself. This is too good. Yeah, man. You know what? I think I better keep that other half.
I'm just checking time. Yeah, but like sometimes it can happen mukbang, you know? Some people like it. I like the thicker sashimis. Like, I like this side better.
Yeah. Man. Delicious.
Can I try tuna? I haven't had tuna in ages.
You had it in New Zealand, remember?
Yeah. No, I had it like a year or two ago.
Well, you going to come and get one, or do you want half? I can cut half.
Yeah, put half onto the lid, and then...
No, I would just cut it, and then I'll just drop it off on your plate.
Sure. Okay,
on your fork. There you go. See how small the one I cut her? Oh, nice. It's sweet. Can you taste a bit of sweetness in it?
Yeah.
Just the way I love it. But if it's not sweet, I still eat it. I love quinoa. Oh, Desoray went out to take her mum some quinoa as well, because her mum's been craving it. I hope she gets better. She's still in hospital, you know, just recovering it. That's the best place for her to be right now. It's in hospital. Don't leave hospital if you don't need to leave. Me, when I used to have my babies, right, the hospital say, oh yeah, you can go tomorrow. Like, excuse you, I just had a baby today, and they say you can go home tomorrow. Do I go home the next day? No. I stayed there an extra day because how do I know something might happen on my way home or at home? And who better to take care of me than the hospital? Because when you're in hospital, guys, when you had your baby, when they say you can go home, it's quite up to you if you want to spend another night. I'm just letting you know. If you have a Medicare card now.
And taxes pay for Medicare.
My taxes.
Card. Yeah.
But you're asking, do I have to pay like cash? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, gosh, we're so privileged today. What happened?
No, I'm not choking. I'm burping. No, you gotta re-say that because you gotta put that in.
I'm planning on putting it in.
No, don't. Re-say it. Re-say it.
I don't know. Yeah, it's school holidays right now, isn't it? Mm. Kids have 2 weeks holiday. So if you live in New Zealand, the kids are home.
What do you mean?
What did I say?
You said the kids are home in New Zealand.
Oh, no. So if you live in Australia, we're having school holidays. But in some parts of Australia, the kids are still at school.
No, I think no. I think we're the last state to go on holidays.
Really? Oh, well.
I think Queensland goes a week before us. I think. Don't quote me on that.
Have your oysters. Get your lemon too. Very nice. But this, guys.
You know how like some oysters have pearls in it? Why don't all oysters have pearls in it?
I don't know. Mm-mm. You know, Chullora, all my focus at the moment is about eating. And I don't know what the answer is anyway, so I can't help you. So does anyone know what the answer is to a question? What is your question again?
Why don't all oysters have pearls?
Well, a viewer might tell you that. So beautiful. I was just about to dip in the sauce, and I gonna dip in here. But why won't I? Why don't I? Never know. Might have the killer flavour. And that's nice too. See? When you accidentally combine something, it's just like my cooking. I could mix things together and it comes out real good.
I have like...
Finish. Okay. Get the legs.
Is there meat in there?
Yeah.
Oh, can I have one?
Yeah. See, now my meat's trying to come out now because you try to be a scab. Yeah, help yourself. Have that half. If you're wondering who that is, making that noise, it's my mama.
Wait, so what do? I use my muscles. My muscles. Well.
It bounced straight onto my big dollies now.
Cut that out. Oh my gosh. Mum.
See, just after I said it, it cut my lip.
Where'd that go? Amazing.
Did I cut my lip? Look, is it bleeding?
No.
Okay, I'm safe. I really thought I cut my lip. Rude.
Bruh, are you sure there's meat in here?
Yeah, a little bit.
I want a lot of it. Bruh, that's a big leg.
What, do you want it?
No, you can have it, babe. Wait, can you cut me another one?
Oh, can you just do it yourself, man?
Yeah.
Can't you see I'm concentrating?
Independent woman I am. I would do it. Come on.
Take it for a walk.
Alright, no, I got
Come
this.
on, get off there.
Okay, Mum, you can do it for me. Thanks.
No, just like, come out. Okay. I don't have my proper
Scissors.
well, get it. Yeah. Good luck. What's this? Just a blubber of meat. Oh, it's a blubber. I don't want to eat a blubber. I've got enough blubbers. Oh, is that meat? Mm. Mm.
I feel like I'm disappointing so much people right now. People are like, oh my god, you're not doing it right. And then what do I do? Nothing even came up.
Yeah. So, Sharon and Desoray reaching 1,000 plus subscribers. I'm so happy for them. And I thoroughly enjoyed eating the seafood with them. It was awesome. Enjoying seafood and with company as well. And Desoray, she loves seafood.
Yeah, I think that's her favorite food.
Yeah, I think so too. It's her favorite food. Also my husband.
Really?
Yeah. Cool.
But yours is Faye.
Mine is just about anything. Except pig head and goat.
No, like your favorite type of food would be islander food, right?
No, a mixture. A mixture. But of course, island food is up there, right? Man, these legs.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, I give up with that.
Yeah. See, I'm so determined to get into the meat part of the leg. I should have bought the other meat. I should have bought the other half. You know, I'll give up.
And you're not even getting that much meat. You're getting like the tiniest bit of meat, really.
Yeah, I'm just lazy to go back and get the other half of the crayfish, but you know what? We have a big fail right now trying to get... Because the last crayfish that I had, I just snap it and out comes the meat. Okay. No, look.
Whoa.
I had a meat.
Whoa.
Look. I know. Let me show you my food. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Hang on.
No. I made a cordial, right?
Yeah.
It's too sweet.
Your cordial is too sweet. That cordial is so good, you only need a little bit.
Yeah, I know, but then I was like, I poured it and it was like that much. I was like, oh, that's too much.
What? Halfway up?
No, I poured it like up here and I was like, oh, that's too much. But then I was like, no, I'm not bothered to like try to pour it out.
Okay.
So like,
Yeah. And then you what?
now I just have to suffer with the too sweet avocado.
You only put a little bit.
I want half a kilo.
Okay. Give me the scissors. Yeah, okay. I'll give you a half a kilo. You want a whole one? I'll give you a whole one and then that's it.
No.
We call it quits.
Who call it quits?
No, I'm saying. Yeah, okay. Now get out of my way, buddy. Okay. That's time to get
I think tuna is really expensive in Japan, but then oysters are really cheap in Japan. Tuna price is expensive. They're expensive, eh? Like $23.
Well, eat your food. Gaffin Island Kenner people that shared this for us. Thank you so much. Delicious. So yum. There was 3 Kenners altogether, guys. But when Sharon and Desoray come to drop it off, my husband was in the kitchen. Yeah. So I guess he's scared for one. So, out of the kindness of my heart, I said, no. But I left it there.
Does he know it's his?
Yeah. But we had to film, so he went into the room. So he's doing his bookwork. I can't suck it in that way, so... Oh, there. Look at it come out. Come out through that.
I should have brought like a plate. Throw my shells in, because now I'm just collecting shells.
Yeah, there's a tub over there behind the mirror, the blue one.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
There,
just...
there.
Yeah, my husband woke up this morning and he went with my daughter to the Blacktown Market.
Yeah, without me.
Yeah, I know. My
They already left, and I was like, afraid. And then I was like, oh, waddled back into my
But you know, Dad, he don't wait for no one. If you...
But then again, I didn't tell him that I was coming with him. I just like got ready.
Oh, well, there we go. This show is so hard. No more. Get over there before we have a fight. Anyway, time for the oyster. I should have put the other can up.
Go get it. And then what should they
No,
get the lobster?
I'll go for Dad. Hang on. Oh, there's nothing else.
This angel.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no, this is the one that's there.
I know. The other half is in the kitchen.
Wow, I just started so bad. Pregnant people can't have seafood, eh?
I don't know why they say it, because I always had seafood when I was pregnant. I think my daughter, do you know Savannah was supposed to be joining us today? She said that she would join us today, but...
She had work.
Yeah, went MIA and went to work. So, next time, I guess, eh? But today, this food... Oh, I got one more oyster. Food is so good, guys. But I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone. You know, it's a journey that I enjoy. You know, I do enjoy doing my channel.
Don't zoom up. Don't.
Yeah. So my daughter here, she sometimes when I think, oh, I want someone to come and join, you know, my certain videos here. So I do ask her to come and join me, and she says yes. The other one, Geneva, I say, baby, do you want to join me? And she goes, no. And now she's in the room hiding. But she used to before, but yeah, I guess she just, I don't know. She has this issue, like she says, no, my friend's going to watch me.
Yeah, because her friends and some of her teachers watch this. She's too cool for the camera, I guess.
I don't know why she has to be shy. Look at Chullora. She's not shy, Chullora. Just make sure next time you turn off your phone, you know, if people come on and...
Oh, yeah, someone commented and they're like, oh, Rach, why entered her phone? But my teacher would only call me if it was important, which it was. She was telling me about my course.
But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for being awesome to our channels. For Faye Lover, and to all you YouTubers that are out there doing your channels, keep it up, guys. Keep it up, because we do come and try and stop through and watch and support. And I just hope you guys continue on. You know, thank you so much. You know, I can't say more than what I've already said, but to thank you guys for being there for us. Let's go to no. Actually, you can stay here and tidy this up, okay, sweetheart? Faso for guys. Take care.
Bye.
Kia manuia.